So first we need to launch Lisa, and then we open a new file, and in the global properties we choose general 2D, and we choose the model vibration 2D plane and thrust, and the number of modes on the right top we set it to 2 modes. The next step is at the components and material section we add one element and we name it as K1. After that we assign a new material for that K1 element. So here for the material we choose material properties, we choose spring, and we set it spring constant to 350000. After that we repeat the same process to add 2 more elements, which is K2 and K3. For the K2 material we add a new material, which is the spring also, and the spring constant is 55000 and 0. And for the material 3 we repeat the same process, and the spring constant this time we set it to 150000. After that, at the name selection we choose a right click at the name selection and we add a new node selection, and then at the name selection we rename it to all nodes. After that we select all nodes, which is node 1, 2 and 3. We select all of it, and then we name at the name selection we add one more selections, and then we rename it to n nodes, and we choose only 2 nodes, which is the each n nodes, which is node 1 and node 4. After that, on the loads and constraint we choose a new displacement. After that, on the loads and constraint we for the first displacement we select the name selection for all nodes, and at the x-axis we set it to 0. And the next one is the second displacement. We select the name selection and nodes, and we choose the y-axis and we set it to the 0. After that we put 2 meshes on 2 nodes, which is the mesh 1 is on node 2, the value is 1200. For the mesh 2 we put it on the node 3 and the value is 1100. After we done setting the loads and constraint, we'll calculate everything in the solver. After that, on the solution section we can choose a mode 1, and we can see the result in the angular frequency for the mode 1 is 14.52956, and the frequency for the mode 1 is 2.312452. And this is the result for the mode 2, which is the angular frequency equals to 34.282, and the frequency is 5.45615.